Dear students, welcome to the video classes of Foundation course. Today I am going to discuss the concept based on the units of measurement of angles. What are the units of measurement of angles? There are three types of units of measurement of angles. Number 1, sexagesimal system or British system. Number 2, centesimal system or French system. Number 3, radian system or circular system. Let us discuss one by one. Number 1, sexagesimal system or British system. Here the units of measurements of angles are degree, minute and second. In this system, one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree. 1 degree, that is denoted as 1 degree. Further, that is one right angle is equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is 60 minutes. This is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Now number 2. Centesimal system or French system. Here the units of measurements of angles are grade, minutes and seconds. In this method or in this system, one right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 grade and denoted as 1G. That is, one right angle is equal to 100 grade, and 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Centesimal system or French system. Here the units of the measurement of angles are grade, minute, seconds. In this system, One right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 grade. That is, one right angle equal to 100 grade. Further, one grade is equal to 100 minutes and 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. One note for you. 1 minute in hexadecimal system is not equal to, note, 1 minute in hexadecimal system is not equal to 1 minute in centesimal system. Similarly, 1 second in hexadecimal system is not equal to 1 second in centesimal system. In hexadecimal system, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, but in centesimal system, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. Mind it, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds in centesimal system, but in hexadecimal system, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Third, radian system. Radian system or circular measure. This is very, very important units of measurement of angle. At first, we will define what is 1 radian. What is 1 radian? Look carefully. Suppose this is a circle. And this is center, and this is center, and this is center. Let this is radius. This is radius. Or suppose measure the length of the radius R and mark on the arc. Join it. Here, this is R and this length is also R. If this is equal to R, this is equal to R, this is equal to R, then angle obtained at the center is 1 radian. What is 1 radian? Suppose this is R and this length is also R and this is also R. Then the angle obtained at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the length of the radius, then the angle is called 1 radian. For example, suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. Then the angle obtained at the center is called 1 radian. Again, suppose this is length is 5 centimeter and mark this 5 centimeter on the circle. Join this. This angle is 1 radian. This angle is 1 radian. What is 1 radian? Definition: 1 radian. The angle subtended at the center of the circle when radius is equal to the length of the arc. The length of the arc. What is arc? What is arc? This is arc and this is length of the arc. This is radius, This is radius, and this portion is called arc. If the length of the radius is equal to the length of the arc, then the angle obtained or subtended at the center of the circle is called 1 radian. And 1 radian is denoted by 1c. Note, 1 radian is also written as simply 1. 1 means we have to consider 1 means we have to consider 1 radian. Now, one proof. Some basic fact. One fact for you. Facts. One fact. Let theta is equal to angle subtended theta equal angle subtended at the center of the circle. R is equal to radius of the circle, and L equal to length of the circle. Then one relation, theta is equal to L by R. This is relation between L or theta. Fact 1. Fact 2. This is fact 1. Fact 2. Fact number 2. Fact number 2. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove this. Pi radian equal 180 degree. Suppose this is a circle. Suppose this is a circle and this is center. Proof. Let theta equal to angle subtended at the center of circle. R is equal to radius of circle, and L is equal to the length of the arc. Suppose this is n theta, and this is R, and this is R, and this is L. We know theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. When theta, the angle is theta, this length is L. When theta converted to 360 degree. When theta converted to 360 degree, suppose this line is rotated, reach same point. In this case, theta is equal to 360 degree. What is the length of, suppose starting here and reach in that point, this point. What is L? L also changes to, what is the length of the circle? That is circumference, paridhi. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now theta, in place of theta, what is in place of theta? We can write 360 degree is equal to, what is L? 2 pi r, divided by r. Radius cannot be changed because it's a fixed circle. R goes cancel. That implies 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, implies pi is equal to 180 degree. This is proved. Thank you.